How's your day?
Yeah, it was a little bit busy day for me. A lot of meeting, but
Got it,
overall
got
it
it.
is a good.
Cool, cool, cool. So, you have some questions, right?
Yeah, actually, I just want to understand what I have to do and uh, who are the people who I'll be working with, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Basic things I want to know.
Okay, let me share my screen, and I'm going to share some information, first of all, about uh, what I'm going to do. Secondly,
Yeah,
your team, and
yeah,
probably we will talk about your task.
yeah.
And let's start sharing. Actually, generally, some words about our project. We're gonna decrease mortality rate from for the people who has a problem with their heart.
Okay,
Actually, we want to exclude them from heart attack risk score. And as for implementation, how we're going to do this, we created 3 products. One of them, this is a phone call system. We name it IVR, Interactive Voice Recognition System. Secondary, this is
okay,
a mobile application and web application. And
okay.
as for you, are joined as a Python developer, right?
Yeah,
And we assign a task for you. I'm trying to find this here. Yeah, this is your task
yeah.
in Asana. Actually, task consists of the first description of the product. Here you can read the more details about the product, what's product about, for what ages we are focusing, and
Okay,
problem statement. We got the statistics from World Health Organization, and prepare some use cases how we're gonna use this. Describe the product, provide technical design. Here you can check that we have a patient and we have our data store on PostgreSQL, and we have different channels of communication.
okay,
One of this channel, this is a voice recognition system. It's where you will work. And here, this is a mind map of ideal solution for the patient, for the doctor, just for keeping in mind. And back to your task. Second
yeah,
point in your description of your task. This is actually a guide about setting up a local environment. And before
okay,
you will start contribute and implement real task on Python, we make sure that you setting up a local environment in your local machine. And you
okay,
have to install EDA, you have to install packages, you have to install PostgreSQL workbench on your local machine.
okay,
You have to create an account, and $15 or $20 will be getting for you for free. And this will be more than enough for the development purpose. Here,
okay.
uh, you right now you're in India, right?
Yes,
And it will provide very cheap phone numbers for the United States, but for India, we found 2 workaround solution. Actually, you will need to install uh, soft phone application to your mobile phone and follow the instruction. Ping me,
okay,
and I will give you credentials that you able to receive to your application number from the United States and to make these calls. Just keep in mind we are doing this only that don't spend your time or your money here, and is the reason why we are working with SIP protocol. After that, you have to get your Google API key as a developer, and you will hear this instruction from Stack Overflow. And after that, another link on Stack Overflow describe how to get credentials of Google. This will be used for the project. And at the end of the project, somebody change here. Just a second, let me check. Okay, and after that, when you will install everything, PostgreSQL and other things, you will need to build this application. It's our Python application, actually, Python server. And I put this link here. Just a second. Sorry, my internet or laptop doesn't work. Yeah. Anyway, I will put here, build the project, the link to the project. When you will finish build the project and you will not have any errors in your IDEA, you will have a working application. And here you can check videos with our other volunteers. Probably this will help for you. Some questions we discuss and I share those to our volunteers. And if you will need to help, here this is instruction how to set up new call with me, and I will be happy to help for anything else. I discussed the product. I discussed I shared notes about your task, and as for team, we have a Slack, and you can send message directly to the guys. We have a chat here, development chat, and you can ask something in this chat if you will be interested. In this chat, you see we have integration with our GitHub, and any commit will and any pull request will automatically send notification to this chat, and you can check all this conversation. What else in terms of communication? We have YouTube channel, and actually, our YouTube channel, we have 3 playlists for testers. For you will be interested developers playlist. Here we have a lot of videos about setting up environment and our team collaboration synchronization. Some weeks ago we had this team collaboration, and you can check this video who are involved in the team. Actually, we are all volunteers, and sometimes people join, sometimes people postpone on 2 or 3 months, and after that they join again. And you know, this is like a circle of the new volunteers, existing volunteers. And one more interesting thing here, this is a general, our videos, general synchronization with all team. And here we will provide progress of our work, because we are focusing on September. We have a MVP scope, and we're focusing on next maybe 2 weeks. We want to finish our IVR. And here you can see active volunteers, their names, and you can reach out them in Slack to ask some questions, or maybe you will see the commits in code, whatever which will be interesting from engineering point of view.
Okay.
And actually, that's it in terms of team collaboration. And we're expecting that you will finish your first task about setting up environment.
Yeah.
If you have any, will have any questions, feel free to set up this call, and we will make it as a one-to-one session, and we will work together to fix any issues.
Yeah,
And
thanks.
after that, I will get to you some of these tasks. You see here, we have capacity for our volunteers, and you will prepare real task for the real product, which we're gonna start in September. For sure, after the September, we will not stop our development process, and we will implement step by step our product. Because actually our backlog very big. For the MVP, minimal viable product, we try to focus on most important things, but as for all features which we're gonna implement, I'm going to show you all backlog. In other words, in my head, this is work for 1 year in the future. So,
okay.
This is our backlog, and you can see here what we need to do, and here I marked what we finished, and this will be completely implementation of features for our product.
Okay.
Yeah, and here it's where we are right now. Any questions? Any things which you want to ask?
No, I don't have any question. I'll just first concentrate to set up my environment. Then probably I have something to ask.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amaresh, thank you so much for your desire to help us.
It's
thank
my
you
pleasure.
for your thank you for your passion. Feel free to ask any questions and shoot them to the Slack, or set up a conversation with me, or talk with our volunteers.
Yeah.
Check our videos, and welcome to the community.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your contribution. Yeah. Okay, let me finish our call and see you next time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, have a good night.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.